Melissa and I are out here on the Speed River in Guelph. We're going to be doing a hike around and see what we can find. Hopefully we will make California Herper proud. There's a little bitty cardinal up in the tree there, so that's what we found so far. And it might rain, it might not. So,
some peanuts with us.
Spotted this little guy here. That is a chipmunk, for those who don't know what it is, but you probably do. And he was just sitting here watching us. He's unsure about what we want to do. Melissa wants to throw him in a container and introduce him to our mini zoo. Oh, he does not like that idea.
No, he's running.
He's like, yeah,
Chipmunk.
I'm not for that idea. So, it's a little chipmunk. And we'll continue looking for some more wildlife. And here we are, a little baby squirrel. Looks kind of baby.
I don't think it's what?
That's small.
It's not really small. Get closer. It's bigger. I think it's a red squirrel.
Melissa thinks that's a red squirrel. It's just sitting there. It's got its food. No, it does not like me anymore.
Chipmunks running around. You know those mini squirrel things?
Yeah. I don't want your food, buddy. I don't want your food. I am 3 feet from him right now. So we're contemplating our... Out of here, mosquito. We're contemplating continuing further. We have blue sky here.
Blue sky behind us.
And that nice sound. Which is a storm brewing, so we're hoping it continues that way, but the clouds are circling, so there's no guarantee on anything. Don't want to get too far in there and then have a torrential downpour and have to swim back through the river. It's our new squirrel friend in the squirrel tree, where they're all angry. He's chomping away at that. You can hear it. And there's a nice big plump caterpillar hanging out on the tree here. Okay, we're getting poured on now. That rain's really getting to us, so we're going to give up because we think everything's gone into hiding. 2 seconds, yeah. Oh, we're on our way. Hopefully we can find something other than squirrels and birds next time.